Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials: your extension, phone model, and default PIN. Once verified, sign into the phone or voicemail portal using the provided credentials. This is where settings live. If your phone uses a handset menu, press the voicemail key or dial the voicemail access number. Make sure the network and power indicators are steady, otherwise settings won't save. If prompted, create a secure PIN now. Choose something memorable yet not obvious, because that PIN protects your messages. Once logged in, open Mailbox or Greetings, select New Greeting and record or upload a file. Record a concise professional message, state name and department, then save. Next, set Mailbox preferences: maximum message length, retention days, and mailbox display name so callers see context. Make sure notifications are enabled. Choose email delivery or desk light alerts for real-time awareness. If your system supports transcription, toggle it now so you get text previews of voicemails in your inbox. Save all changes, then immediately perform a test call from another extension to leave a message. This verifies greeting playback and recording quality. Once done, check that the message appears in your mailbox, that alerts arrive, and that playback works both on phone and any linked email. Make sure your PIN is secure and changed from defaults. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, confirm network connection, and then contact IT with error details. This resolves most voicemail provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.